So, good morning everybody. Myself Acharya Vishvendra, and today I'm going to discuss a worksheet on emotional conflicts during JEE NEET preparation. So, let's begin with the worksheet. So, the topic of today's worksheet is emotional conflicts during JEE NEET preparation, causes and solutions. So, there are broadly three conflicts. The first conflict is of thoughts, second is hurry, and the third is inability to focus. So we shall be discussing on these 3 points of concern. So let's study with the first thing about the thoughts. So what is cause of thoughts? Why we think? So thinking is always concerned, thought is always concerned with the already filled information in the conscious mind, which we are comfortably able to access. And it also corresponds to the low frequency brain waves. If we analyze a person, that what actually is a person, so is just a combination of brain and the mind, which interact via the brain waves. So all the feelings that you have, the mind that you have, the emotions, the energies, it is due to the frequency of the brain waves. And from the moment you sleep to the moment you rise, there is variation or modulation of the brainwave frequencies. And using EEG technique, the brainwave frequencies are categorized into 5 spectrums, which is alpha, beta, gamma, delta and theta. Delta corresponds to the lowest brainwave frequencies and gamma corresponds to the highest frequencies. And delta has got frequency from 0.5 hertz to 4 hertz, and gamma has got a frequency more than 30 hertz. So cause of thoughts is low frequency brain waves, and if you have to get rid of the thoughts, you have to increase your brainwave frequency. That is the only solution to the concern of being trapped in thoughts, illusions, or emotional distractions. So just increase your vibrational frequency. That is the scientific explanation to get rid of your thoughts. Next is hurry. So just observe yourself that why you are in a state of hurry or anxiety. So hurry arises when we try to change the brainwave frequencies abruptly, because so many things happen within you and you are not able to focus on one of the things. So it seems like you are undergoing some sort of parallel processing, and because of that a lot of energy is consumed. Your focus tends to get distracted in different processes. So hurry can be minimized by using stepwise processing in series and by maintaining a time interval between different processes. So that is how hurry can be managed, and it also corresponds to the flight mode dominance, because normally the brainwave frequencies are low and are adapted, and they are in a way to make you survive. And if you dare to think beyond survival, then brain will activate the flight mode, and because of that flight mode you will feel hurry, anxiety, depression, excitements, etc. So hurry is when you try to dominate the flight mode. So it's the reason for that. Now is the inability to focus. So you are unable to focus because of painful feelings, distractions, emotional conflicts. Now there is concern of what is the solution of all these things. So the solution of thoughts or low frequency brain waves, as I have already spoken, is about learn brainwave frequency modulation, and we offer an OST program for that. There is my book with the same name, OST by Acharya Vishvendra. It's available on Google, Amazon, Flipkart and Notion Press. So if you want to learn the art of brainwave frequency modulation, then you can use this book. Also, I have started my YouTube videos on the same topic. It's with the name of OST by Acharya Vishvendra, and soon I shall be uploading the training sessions to learn OST in a scientific and systematic way. Now, coming to the second problem, which is hurry or the flight mode dominance. So how we can eliminate hurry is to gradually being adaptive to the high frequency brain waves, and how to deal with painful feelings, distractions and emotional conflicts. So it is just about face things with a strong willpower, because if you are unable to bear the brunt of the negative feelings or the emotional distractions, then you will not be able to come out of this situation. And whenever you will face problems in your life, your mind brain system will react in that way. So it's just make a strong willpower to come out of all these emotional conflicts. That is the only possible solution of all of these. Thank you and have a nice day.